Ayan guys. Ayan na guys. Ang Sea of Clouds. Kita sa atwang ang Hills View Mountain. Other famous inland resort destination also. Dinhi aning area sa dato sa Lumay, Marilog District. Wow, the wonders of God's creation reveal its glory. So wala gid tay dapat ikapangulipas. We need to glorify the creator of the heaven and earth, whose name alone is Jehovah God.